Hey boys and girls, this is Mrs. Meyer with our second phonics lesson for this week out of 3. If you watched our learning target video for this week and you watched day one's video, then you know that this week in phonics we're learning all about how to read and write words with long vowels that have that tricky ninja E at the end. That is a super busy letter. So this lesson is for Fundations, Unit 11, Week 1, Day 2. Before we begin, I want to show you this poster. This is a brand new poster, and if we were in the classroom, this poster would be hanging in our classroom or Mrs. Iman or Mrs. Davis's classroom to help you remember the different vowel sounds. If you notice right here, we have our short vowels that we've already learned. But over here are our long vowels that we haven't learned quite yet. Or we started learning yesterday, sorry. So I want you to listen. I'm going to read each one across, just like if I was reading a book. And I want you to listen, and then we'll go back and do it together. Ready? A, apple, A, safe, A, E, ed, E, P, E, I, itch, I, pine, O, octopus, O, home, O, U, up, U, mule, U, rule, oo. All right, let's go back and do this together. A, apple, A, safe, E, ed, E, P, E, I, itch, I, pine, O, octopus, O, home, O, U, up, U, mule, U, rule, oo. What are the two long sounds of U? Did you say U and oo? Then you are absolutely positively right. My next question is, when does S say Z? We know it can say, S can say Z when S is a suffix at the end of a word, or when it's between two vowels. My next question is, what says A? If you said A consonant E, then you are absolutely correct. If not, then let's just review. That's okay. We're not in the classroom, and so it may take us a little bit longer. So I want you to sound out while I build this word. H, O, P. What word did I just spell? Hop. Now I want to change the O from A to O, so I'm going to add that busiest letter in the alphabet, E. Because remember, our learning target said that we can read words with long vowels that have an E on the end. So now we change the word hop to hope. O says its name because we added this E to the end. But I want to show you something else. I want to remind you about our blank sound cards. Remember, if it's yellow, it's our letter sounds or digraphs, because digraphs only make one sound. Red are our vowels, and green are our glued sounds, and then this is a blank card for suffixes. So sometimes we can use these blank cards in place of letters. My first question is, what says O? It is O consonant E, so I want you to watch me. O consonant E. Did you see what I did there? Instead of putting a letter right here, I put a blank card to show that a consonant goes between your vowel, O, and that E at the end. And just a reminder, if you're like, but Mrs. Meyer, what's a consonant? Remember, a consonant is any letter in the alphabet that is not a vowel. So let's practice reading some long O words. I'm going to leave O, consonant E. Can you say that with me? O, consonant E. I'm going to leave this right here, and we're just going to input some letters so that you can see how there's a consonant between our long vowel and that silent E at the end. Okay, the first letter I'm going to add is a T. What does this say? Let's tap it out. Oat, oat. Is that a real word? No, OTE is not, and these are not real words. We're just going to practice sounding out that long O consonant E sound. Next letter is M. Let's sound this out. O-M, ohm. The next letter I'm going to add to my blank sound card is P. Let's tap and blend that. Ready? O-P, ope. Great job if you remembered to not sound out this E because it's tricky. It is silent. Its work is making O say its name. Okay, our next letter is an F. Tap and blend this with me. O, F, oaf. Great job. Now tell me, what says I? If you said I consonant E, then you would be absolutely correct. I consonant E. Great job. Now let me show you how to write I consonant E. Let me get my pen ready. You're going to write the letter I and then a dash, and then you're going to write E. Can you tell me why I drew a dash? Yeah, I wrote a dash because this dash means the same as this blank card. It means that there is a letter there because we can put lots of letters between I and E and make lots of really cool words. Okay, so if O is O consonant E and I is I consonant E, what is A? A consonant E. Fantastic. What is oo? It is U consonant E. Say that with me. U consonant E. What is ooh? I'm sorry, I already said ooh. What is U? Wonderful. It is U consonant E. Oh my goodness, listen to you guys. You're learning this super quick. So earlier we did I consonant E and we did O consonant E. What says E? Well, if you said EE or EA or EY, you are absolutely totally correct. But we also know that E consonant E can say it too. So I want you to look at what I wrote out right here in my pen and let's read these across. Ready? O consonant E, I consonant E, A consonant E, U consonant E, U consonant E, because remember U has two sounds, oo and U. E, consonant E. Okay, since we're not at school and we don't have our own letter tiles, I would like you to, if you can, get a piece of paper and a pencil or a dry erase board and marker if you have it. So go ahead and pause the video, go get a piece of paper and a pencil or a dry erase board and marker, only if you have it. If not, don't worry about it. And then I want you to press play when you are finished. Okay. If you've got a piece of paper and pencil, I want you to listen carefully. If not, still listen carefully, okay? I'm going to say a word. I want you to repeat the word. I want you to tap and blend the word. And then I want you to write it down, because then I'm going to build it and we'll see if we can build these words correctly together. Are you ready? Repeat this word after me. Cap. Now tap and blend it. K-a-p, cap. If you have a pencil or paper or a dry erase board and marker, go ahead and write the word cap for me, please. Hit pause and then hit play when you're done writing it. Okay, how do we spell the word cap? K-a-p, cap, C-A-P. If you put a K, I'm proud of you for hearing that K sound at the beginning of a word, but the answer is actually C. Okay, now don't erase it. Don't mark it out. Repeat this word with me. Cape. Let's tap and blend it. K-A-P, cape. Okay, now I want you to write the word cape next to the word cap. Pause the video and hit play when you're done. Okay, how do we spell the word cape? Well, we have C-A-P, C-A-P, and the only difference is I add the tricky letter E. That's right, because our learning target said we will read words with long vowels. So now our word is cape. I have the word cap, then I added that tricky ninja E, and now I have the word cape. Okay, ready for the next word? Repeat this word after me. Knot. Now tap and blend it. N-a-t, knot. Now, if you have a pencil and paper, I want you to pause and write the word knot. Now, tell me how to spell knot. N-a-t, knot, N-O-T. Fantastic job. Now, repeat this word, note. Tap and blend it with me. N-O-T, note. Now pause the video and write this word. Hit play when you're done. Okay, tell me how to spell the word note. N-O-T, note. Did I spell it right? But what did I do wrong? You are so right. I forgot to add that tricky ninja E at the end. It comes in and makes the vowel say its name. Wonderful job. Let's do one more word. Repeat this word. Tub. Okay, pause the video and write the word tub. Okay, how do we spell tub? T-U-B. Tub. Wonderful job. Now, I want you to repeat this word. Tube. Tap and blend it. T-U-B. Tube. Okay, I want you to pause the video and write it. How do we spell the word tube? T-U-B. 2.